He placed my feet. Can I get one witness? The Lord placed your feet on a solid rock. Clap your hand up. If you know the Lord placed your feet, and it must have